Vegetables, we have seen some so red and some so green. Vegetables make us strong. Some are round and some are long. Vegetables green and fresh. They can be eaten plain or dressed. Let me answer. Name a color of vegetables mentioned in the poem. What shape can some vegetables be? Goosey gander. Goosey gander, where shall I wander? Upstairs, downstairs, in my lady's chamber. There I met an old man who would not say his prayers. I took him by the left leg and threw him down the stairs. Let me answer. Where does the goose wander? Who did the goose meet? 6 little mice. 6 little mice sat down to spin. 6 little mice sat down to spin. Kitty passed by and she peeped in. What are you doing, my little men? Waving coats for gentlemen. Shall I come in and cut off your threads? No, Mistress Kitty would bite off our heads. Oh no, I will not. I will help you spin. That may be so, but you can't come in. Let me answer. What were the mice doing? Who wanted to come in? Incy Wincy Spider. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Now Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Let me answer. What did the rain do to the spider? What happened when the sun came out? 3 yellow mangoes. 3 yellow mangoes hanging on a tree. I gave them a smile and they smile at me. Will you fall down? I asked all 3. They all fell down. 1, 2, 3. Let me answer. How many mangoes are there on the tree? What made the mangoes fall? Our band. Listen to our big drum. Bang, bang, bang. Listen to our triangle. Tang, tang, tang. Listen to our trumpet. Toot, toot, toot. Listen to our tambourine. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Let me answer. What sound does the drum make? What sound does the tambourine make? Pat a cake. Pat a cake. Pat a cake. Bakers, men. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with T and put it in the oven for teacher and me. Let me answer. The cake has to be marked with which letter? Cake is for who all? Numbers. 1 for success, 2 for joy, 3 for a girl, 4 for a boy, 5 for silver, 6 for gold, 7 for a secret never to be told. Let me answer. What is 1 for? What should never be told? Can you count till 10 easily? God made you and me. God made the world as lovely as can be. He made the mountains and the deep blue sea. He gives us grass and tall green trees, beautiful flowers and buzzing bees. All these things He wanted us to see, so God made you and He made me. Let me answer. Do you enjoy the nature gifted by God to us? What creation of God do you find the most beautiful? Yankee Doodle. Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. He stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Let me answer. Where did Yankee Doodle go? What did Yankee Doodle stuck in his hat? Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. 1 a penny. 2 a penny. Hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. 1 a penny. 2 a penny. Hot cross buns. Let me answer. Have you ever tasted hot cross buns? Who brings the hot cross buns? Round and round. The wheels of a bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of our bus go round and round all through the town. Let me answer. What goes round and round? Where does the bus go? 10 little firemen. 10 little firemen sleeping in a row. Ding dong goes the bell, in a wing they go. Off to the engine, ho ho ho, using the big pipe, so so so. When the fire is out, home they go, back to bed, all in a row. Let me answer. What do the 10 little firemen do when the bell rings? Where do the firemen go after the fire is out? Learn good manners with Master Charlie. Mom, where are you? Please come and see my lovely painting. Oh no, you have made the whole wall dirty. Dear son, your painting is good, but you should draw and paint in your drawing book. Let me answer. What did Charlie paint? What advice does Charlie's mom give to him? Soap bubble. Fill the pipe, gently blow. Now you will see the bubbles grow. Strong at first, then they burst. Oops, oops, oops. Let me answer. Do you know how to make bubbles? Do the bubbles burst after some time? There was an old woman. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children, she didn't know what to do. She gave them some broth without any bread, then kissed them all soundly and sent them to bed. Let me answer. Where did the old woman live? What did she give the children to eat? Moo moo brown cow. Moo moo brown cow, have you any milk? Yes sir, for you, Jack and Jill. Churn it into butter, make it into cheese, or drink it from the glass as fresh as you please. Let me answer. What can be made from the cow's milk? Who asked the cow if it has any milk? Swing high, swing low. Swing high, swing low. Away we go. Up to the trees where the breeze blow. Where the birds nest and play all day, and all the world is bright and sway. Let me answer. Where does the breeze blow? Do you like swings? I'm a big engine. I'm a big engine. Puff, puff, puff. Waiting to set off. Chuff, chuff, chuff. I blow my whistle. Toot, toot, toot. The station bell is ringing now. Ding dong, ding dong. Soon my wheels will turn around and I will be homeward bound. Let me answer. What sound does the big engine make? Where will the engine go after the bell rings? Circus clown. When the circus comes to town, I love to see the clown racing around the great big top, his trousers falling down. He's such a funny person. He makes me laugh and shout. I always feel so happy when the funny clown's about. Let me answer. What does the clown do that makes people laugh? How does the clown make the child feel? Falling leaves. Down, down, yellow and brown, fall the leaves all over the ground. Rake them up in the pile so high, they almost reach up to the sky. Let me answer. What colors are the falling leaves? Where do the leaves fall? Three little kittens. Three little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. Three little kittens, they found their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found. Let me answer. What did the three little kittens lose? What did the kittens do when they found their mittens? The G song. Grapes and guavas, green grass and leaves, Granny, Grandpa, goodness me, got to count the G's, some more in goat, gander and geese. Let me answer. What fruits are mentioned in the G song? Name three more words that start with G. Cobbler, cobbler. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down, and I will give you half a crown. Let me answer. What does the cobbler do for the boy? By what time does the boy want his shoe? Donkey, donkey. Donkey, donkey, old and grey, open your mouth and gently pray. Lift your ears and blow your horn to wake up the world this sleepy morn. Let me answer. What color is the donkey? What does the boy ask the donkey to do? Ellie, the elephant. Ellie, the elephant, go this way and that. She's so very big. She's so very fat. She sways her trunk from side to side. She takes us for a jolly ride. Let me answer. What does Ellie the elephant do with her trunk? What does Ellie the elephant take the children for? Kangaroo, oh kangaroo. Kangaroo, oh kangaroo, how do you do? Baby kangaroo in the pouch, don't be afraid. Why do you crouch? Kangaroo jumping up and down, take me with you to town, to town. Let me answer. Where's the baby kangaroo in the poem? What does the child ask the kangaroo to do? Play with fingers. Play with fingers. Clap, clap, clap. 10 little fingers. Snap, snap, snap. Play with fingers. Make a wish. 10 little fingers. Make a fist. Let me answer. What do the 10 little fingers do in the poem? What do the children make with their fingers? The crow and the peacock, Kawa or More. Once a crow saw a beautiful peacock. I will make myself as pretty as the peacock," said the foolish bird. So he collected many peacock feathers and stuck them on his body. Dear me, how funny I look! एक बार एक कौवे ने एक सुंदर मोर को देखा। उस मूर्ख कौवे ने कहा कि मैं खुद को मोर की तरह सुंदर बना लूंगा। इसलिए उसने बहुत सारे मोर के पंख इकट्ठे किए और अपने शरीर पर चिपका दिए। अरे, मैं कितना अजीब लग रहा हूं। The proud peacocks took one look at him and said, "Does that foolish bird really think he looks like me?" घमंडी मोर ने उसकी तरफ देखा और कहा, क्या इस मूर्ख कौवे को सच में लगता है कि वो मेरी तरह नजर आ रहे हैं? The crows, who had always been his friends, took no notice of him. कौवे जो उसके दोस्त थे, उसने उस पर ध्यान नहीं दिया। At last, the crow knew how foolish he had been. अंत में कौवे को एहसास हुआ कि उसने कितनी बड़ी मूर्खता की है। Dear friends, he said, "Please forgive me and be my friends." दोस्तों, उसने कहा, मुझे माफ कर दो और मेरे दोस्त बन जाओ। I am quite happy to be a crow again. मैं कौवा बनकर फिर से बहुत खुश हूँ। Moral: We must be happy with what we are. हम जैसे हैं, हमें उसमें ही खुश होना चाहिए। Let me answer. The crow tried to look like whom? What did the peacocks think of the crow? I hope you enjoy learning.